Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co daily stock market review for the trading day ending Monday, November 3rd. Firstly, looking at the performance of the indices today, and on the left hand side we have a mixed bag overall actually. The left hand side we have the Russell 2000 was down 0.28%. The Dow 30 was down 0.14%. The S&P 500 was virtually unchanged, down just 0.1%, and the leader today was the Nasdaq 100, up 0.27%. Looking firstly at the chart of the S&P 500, and here we see a continuation of the trend to the upside. The previous candle we saw the market breaking out up above the Ichimoku cloud, giving us a bullish market in all three timeframes, broke out in a strong bullish manner, suggesting that we now have a very strong uptrending market in all three timeframes. The follow through wasn't quite as strong as I would have liked to have seen. That was for today's trading. And today's trading, even though we've continued the trend to the upside, making a higher high and a higher low, we've seen the market form a doji type candle, and that's a candle of indecision, and it's a candle where the buyers who had control of the market for the previous day's trading have lost that control. Now, they haven't necessarily lost that to the sellers, but it's important that neither side has taken control, and the buyers have failed to maintain control. So it does set the market up for a potential change of trend. It is a candle of indecision and does suggest potential for a change of trend to the downside. Now, if we do see that trend change, not only do we have the round number 2000 below the previous candle, but we also have a small window that was opened up. So there should be very, very solid support coming in around that area if the trend does change. Now, with this indecisiveness forming around this major high, the market was able to establish a new major high test above the previous to establish that high at 2024, breaching that 2019 level. So this type of behaviour, especially considering that this market's been in a first time frame uptrend for quite some time, it's not too unusual. And it will be interesting to see if the sellers do come into the market and watch that 2000 level very, very closely. There still is a chance that we could see the buyers continue in this market to the upside, but we have been up for a long time, and something of a congestion area or a slight pullback wouldn't surprise. In terms of the bands, continued price action up above the upper band suggests a very strong uptrending market in the medium-term time frame. If the market does come off and we do breach that 2000 level, potentially strong support at the top band at 1985.